So to get the top line, first thing to do is to use your measuring tape. You measure the length of the vamp line. Here we have 8.5 centimeter. Now you divide 8.5 centimeter into 2. That should give us 4.25 centimeter, and here you mark it on the vamp line. Next is to mark the height of the heel. Now the standard height of a size 42 dress shoe or corporate shoe is 62 mm or 6.2 centimeter. Okay, so now I mark the height of the heel. Now I use my measuring tape. Once I've marked both points, that is this point and this point, I use my measuring tape to join both points together. I'm really sorry about the background audio. I couldn't find a perfect time to make this video, so please bear with me. Okay. Alright, so we've been able to draw our top line.